So how to play all those games? First of all, you need to, this game you should get one of everything so you can go forward more fast, which is pretty necessary. So you can get more objects. Give me some tips. 1. Stick everything in memory. So we'll look at the same price and do this. We're just the only tab it's gonna put it on this, which allows it to play even if a window is minimized. Even if the window is minimized. It's like the most thing from memory, which allows you to keep moving forward. I'm gonna get to 20, and you'll be able to get to 70 memory. Then phase 2 begins. After you get 250 memory from small gifts, it's like everything in the process. But there's no upgrade in the game that gives you more stuff. Plus, that gives you more than 250. Plus, you'll need processors for more creativity, which is something you'll need later on. Just said 1,000 max. Your operation should appear once you reach 1,700 paperclips. Second, by whenever this is low, like, because it's so much. $12 Yeah, we should do good 14 minutes. I can probably get it all. And spoiler alert, honor happens in Drift 4, which happens when Paperclips in phase 2 in the game. In the second phase of the game. You can watch more tutorial tips about later on. Anyway, more of these games and goodbye. Please like and subscribe because I want to get 25 subscribers. More things. Anyways, goodbye.